Hi to all. We will see about previous year's JRF 2020 MCQs. It will be more helpful to person preparing for exams. First question is Salvinia essa, floating weed. Second question, mobility of a bacteria is observed by which method is hanging drop technique. Most of the JRF questions are straight questions. Only one or two questions will be like somewhat concept based questions. These are the straight questions only. Cryopreservation is used for the preservation of fish melt. Cipol is usually present in, among the four, it is present in cotton seeds. Barbarian ossicles. It is a chain of bony pieces present in a number of teleoids connecting the internal swim bladder. Answer is swim bladder. The colored feathers or fibers which are used for attracting the fishes are called lures. This is the question. You have to match with it. In the exam time, you will get a rough sheet for writing. So, whenever you are attending match, in the rough sheet, you please write the questions one side. Then you simply match it with the answer first. It will reduce the time for you. So first we will write the questions in the answer sheet. Then from the question we will see for yellowhead virus the answer is tiger shrimp. So write on here. Next is Myxosoba cerebralis. Among the question what is the answer is trout. Write on here. Third is white-tail disease. Answer is scampi. Epizootic ulcerative disease. Answer is marl. After you have written this in the rough sheet, what you have to do is, this is A. So you have to match with tiger shrimp where it is present is like 3. So you can see A is 3, B is 4, C is 1, D is 2. This is the answer. The end product of nitrification is, answer is nitrate. The PRA stands for, answer is participatory ruler appraisal. Catch curve is used to estimate, answer is total mortality. The portion of net mouth in between the two wings is called, answer is bosom. Double seam of a can is characterized by, answer is 5-layer. The process of using microorganisms to reduce pollution through biological degradation of pollutants into non-toxic substances called, answer is bioremediation. Demand is said to be perfectly inelastic when price of elastic demand is, answer is 0. During freezing of fish, the maximum ice zone lies between -1 to -5 degrees Celsius. The chief saturated fatty acid present in fish oil is, answer is palmitic acid. In Indian fisheries within territorial waters is a state subject. The natural collection of Indian major carp seed from rivers, the following net was properly used is shooting net. Blowhole is present in aquatic animals. We can see on the top of the animal. It is mostly used for respiration. Hardness in the water is mainly due to the presence of, answer is divalent cation. Don't confuse between divalent ions and cations. It is divalent cations. Here most people used to confuse it. Two halves of a typical bivalve hold dorsally by. Some people have wrongly will write like adductor muscle. Answer is hinge ligament. The full form of air net is Education and Research Network. The study of toxic effect of pollutant is called, among it you can see, bioassay. This question, you have to read thoroughly the statement 1 and 2 correctly. Then you have to find whether the statement 1 and the 2 are correct or not. First we will read the statement 1. Foods of low water activity stored in high relative environment. Always what will happen? A food is having a low water activity, but the environment is having high relative humidity means what will actually happen? The water from the environment will transfer to the food, thereby it will increase the water activity of food. The same thing is given in the statement 1, so it is correct. We'll see the second statement. If the food is having high water activity, the environment is having a low relative humidity, what will happen? The food will lose the moisture and it will become unfit for the consumption due to loss of quality. So this statement is also correct. So both the statement 1 and 2 are correct all. The radiation dose under rad updization process to prolong the shelf life product is, answer is 30 to 40 kilogray. We'll see the question for fish. Fish, answer is lysozyme. Egg means you can try. Albumin, where it is present here. Milk will have lacto. Clove is having eugenol. Then correct answer is, for A it is 2, B it is 4, C is 1, D is 3. Answer having listed on here. Which among the following is not a tributary of Brahmaputra river system? Dihang is a tributary of Brahmaputra only. Dhansri also, Kulsi also. But Kandak is a tributary of Ganga. So the answer is Kandak. Ram ventilation is well noticed in. You can see mostly in the fast swimming pelagic fishes, they used to open the mouth and go in a speed move. The instrument used to record the speed of vessel based on acoustic principle. Answer is Doppler log. The first step in extension teaching is you have to get the attention of people. So answer is attention. Dropsy in fish is caused by, it is a category of bacteria. So answer is bacteria. Which one of the following has been successfully cultured in cages in coastal waters of India in recent years? Answer is cobia. Mantis shrimp is belonging to which? It is belonging to stomatopod. It is a squilla. A market which has only one buyer is known as? Correct answer is monopsony market. Mono means one. A copulatory organ present in elasmobranch. Answer is Mixoterigium. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas, methane is also greenhouse gas, ozone is also greenhouse gas. So the answer is carbon monoxide. The bacteria associated with the Kanagawa phenomenon is? A correct answer is Vibrio parahemolyticus. Ectoparasite Lernia. For Lernia, anchor worm will come. Fish lice, Ergulis will come. In the manufacturing of floating extruded feeds, which of the following conditions are required? We need a high temperature, high pressure and a high moisture. The best raw material for construction of cold storages. Answer is polyurethane foam ponds. Which of the following is aimed at equipping the rural youth who are below the poverty line with necessary skills, technology and training to take up the self-employment? Answer is TRISEM. Its full form is Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment Program. Giant clam. Family is Tridacnidae. Surf clam. Family is Donacidae. Venus clam. Answer is Veneridae. Nut clam. Answer is nuclide. So the correct option in the match is for B it is 3, C it is 2, D it is 1. Answer has been listed on here. You can see on here. The square mesh cordon suggested trawl net. Actually, it is used for escapement of the juvenile fishes. So answer is escape of juveniles. BOD is a measure of. Answer is organic pollution. Number of larval stages in freshwater prawn in Macrobacchium rosenberg is 11. You can see this question Ratnakumar manual also. The paint used where vessel area is subjected to corrosion both by water and air is called board topping. A user can get files from another computer on the internet by using FTP. Acid rain causes the emission of, correct answer is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Here they are given the two statements. We will read the statements, see whether the statements are correct. First statement we will see, freshwater teleoids operate hyperosmotically to their surrounding environment. Yeah, it is correct. Freshwater teleoids will be hyperosmotically to the environment. Freshwater teleoids produce a large quantity of dilute urine to remove excess of water. This is also correct. Freshwater teleoids normally produces large quantity of dilute urine because it is having more water. So both the statements are correct. Which of the following practice is desirable in the culture of Indian major calves in the grow-out ponds? Answer is liming, fertilization and feeding. The regulatory protein which controls muscle contraction relaxation through its interaction with calcium is. Answer is troponin. The dun spoilage in salted and dried fish is caused by the growth and survival of which one of the following? Correct answer is mold. Which of the following hormones secreted by pineal gland in fishes? Answer is melatonin. Ashwin animals are generally oligohaline. This question also you can see in Ratnakumar manual. E. coli colonies grown in eosin methylene blue appear as greenish metallic sheen. Here they were given the question. You can see ends of a normal can. Correct answer is concave or flat. Flat sword, Bacillus styrothermophilus. Neurolytic toxin, it is Clostridium botulinum. General method of process calcification, it is Bigelow. So the correct answer here I have listed. So for A it is 4, B is 1, C is 2 and D is 3. This ends of normal can is concave or flat. This question is asked in SRF question also. The best live feed for the larvae of Macrobacchium rosenberg is Artemia nopali. The pituitary gland of which of the following was successful for induced breeding of IMC is marine catfish. You can see these questions in ICAR handbook. Handbook of aquaculture, you can see this line will be there. The coefficient of skewness for a normal distribution. Answer is 0. Arrange the following in sequence of blood entering and leaving the fish heart. I have arranged the sequence. First is sinus venosus. Second is auricle. Third is ventricle. Fourth is bulbous arteriosus. If they said to arrange the sequence in a rough sheet, you please first arrange the sequence. Then you choose on the option. Beaverton and Holmes fish stock recruitment models suggest the relation between parent stock and recruitment is asymptote. In case of recurrent is bell shape, linear in case of Cushing. Virtual population of a fish denotes exploited population. The spread of new idea in the social system. From name itself we write spread means diffusion. In feed stored in an unhygienic way for long period, aflatoxins are produced by Aspergillus. Harapodon nigrius form a single major fishery along the coast of northwest. It is Maharashtra and Gujarat. Gonadal maturation of tiger shrimp can be enhanced by removal of eye stalk. Interrupted lateral line. From this line itself, you can write the answer is Cichlidae. And single nostril on one side of the snout is also Cichlidae's character. Ashtamudi lake is well known for its resources is clam. We all know it. They ask specifically, sometimes they will ask which clam means. For Ashtamudi it is Papia malabarica, Bremna it is Wiltoriana cyprinoids. In fish population dynamics, what that is mean by T0? BBGF. Answer is initial condition parameter. The wavelength of light that is least absorbed by the ocean is blue color. The Sachs toxin is associated with palatable shellfish poisoning. The mineral that is required for the metabolism of vitamin E is zinc. Which among the following vegetarian practice is not vague in India? Answer is quota system. The toxic ingredient present in mahua oil cake. Answer is saponin. If it is Derris root powder, answer will be proteinin. The method suited for enumerating the presence of low numbers of microorganisms. Answer is most probable number. It is MPN. Here you will see the match. Macrobacterium rosenbergi. Answer is scampi. Oreochromis niloticus. Answer is exotic fish. Anabas tetradynes. Answer is climbing perch. Lithopenes ranami. Answer is white-leg shrimp. I have listed answers on down here. Answer is A3, B1, C4, D2. Actually, this is A, B, C, D. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have mentioned on here. The scientific name of little tuna is. Answer is Euthynis affinis. Oxus sazad is frigate tuna. Cutsonis pelamis is skipjack tuna. The device used to prevent twisting and kinking of line is swivel. Skill can be effectively acquired by method demonstration. The proportion of soap is to oil. Emulsion used for the control of aquatic insect is 1:3. This is also in Ratnakumar manual. An approach in which gene expression mRNA is analyzed in a biological sample at a given time under the specific condition is referred to as transcriptomics. Answer is Whirling disease is caused by Myxosoma cerebralis. Variance ratio test is otherwise called F-test. It is also in Ratnakumar manual. The deepest trench in the Indian Ocean. Answer is Java Trench. After eutrophication, lake becomes sequence. You just remember. First it will be oligo, then it will become eutro, third it will become diso. So the answer is disotropic. Which one of the following given is used for frog fishery? Answer is trap. In which region of Indian coast maximum catch of pinnate shrimp, non-pinnate shrimp is there? Answer is northwestern region. It is Gujarat and Maharashtrian coast. White spot syndrome virus has been more prevalent in which of the following species? Answer is tiger shrimp. Organism found attached to the surface of vegetation is called as. Answer is periphyton. Necton is for fishes. Here we will see Panatic shellfish poisoning. Answer is Alexandrium. Diatic shellfish poisoning. Answer is Proboscenterum. Neurotic shellfish poisoning. Answer is Gymnodinium. Amniotic shellfish poisoning. Answer is Nitsia. This is the question. This box is the answer. Correct answer is A2, B1, C4, D2. This is A, B, C, D. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which Indian state has the minimum coastal length? Correct answer is Goa. Maximum coast length, correct answer will be Gujarat. As for ICMSF, the set limit for TPSC in fresh and frozen fish is 10 to the power 7 colony forming units per gram. Fish can certificate in India is issued by MPEDA. Answer is Marine Products Export Development Authority. The presence of Staphylococcus aureus in processed seafood is an indication of personal hygiene. Fecal contamination answer will be E. coli. The common name used for the fish Atronosus fossilis is Sinki. Magur is Clarius batrachus. Which state has the maximum area of Indian mangrove forest? Is West Bengal because of Sundarbans. 1 nautical mile is equal to how many kilometers? 1.852 kilometers. And with the best combination of feed ingredients for the production of cost-effective diets for farming of IMC in semi-intensive pond-based aquaculture. Answer is soybean cake, tapioca flour, rice bran, vitamin, mineral mix and sardine oil. The plankton that is answered brachychoterus. Answer is Hypanbrio plankton. Helios the pond plankton. An approach to biological classification of fishes based on the phylogenetic relationship is known as cladistics. Meristics is the countable characters of dorsal fins and rays. So the answer is cladistics. Thank you.